Hey guys, thanks for joining me. It's Kenny at Kenco Power and Soft Washing. I want to do, I don't know how many, but a few of these little 3 5-minute videos. So this first one is drive your rig to your estimates. So that gives the customer value. So I think in the customer's mind, when they think about somebody coming out, they think we want a power washer, we want a pressure washer to wash the house. All they can think of is the little 2 gallon per minute they have in the shed, and they have in their mind that you're going to drive up in a station wagon, pull it off the back, spray a little water, won't take you very long, maybe $75, $100, $125. So we want to get that thought out of their head. So even if you've got nothing to do and you've got your gas burner out there or diesel burner hooked up to your trailer, and you got a little gas miser, don't take that to the estimate. Take your rig. So when the customer comes to the door, they see your rig, they know that you mean business. This is not going to be a $75 job, and they know you're a professional. So sell yourself as that. Don't show up in an unmarked car. You pull up there with your truck and trailer or a flatbed, even though it's cost you another $5 or $10 to drive up there with that rig as opposed to your family car. Go ahead and do it. It eases their mind that they've hired a professional. This ain't going to be cheap. And so that's my first little tip. I'm going to tell you a real quick story about when I was remodeling. I stole this is probably back in 1986, and I virtually stole a 300D Mercedes for like $2,500. It was a diesel. It had about 80,000 miles on it. It's 1982, so it looked brand new. So I jump in that car and go do an estimate, and I pull up and I knock on the door, and the old lady came to the door, and she goes, "I see what you're driving." She goes, "I don't want no part of your company." She goes, "I see what you're driving." I said, "I got a good deal on it. It's not. It looks newer than it is, and blah blah blah." She didn't want no part of it. So what I'm saying is, drive your rig, show them you mean business. Give them a price you're going to make money at. Stand behind it, and I think you'll find that you'll close more jobs that way. So anyway, there's one tip.